If Meccha Chameleon won't launch on PC, one Steam launch option fixes it. No reinstall, no factory reset. The crash is an Unreal Engine shader decompression error, and forcing DirectX 11 skips it. Right-click Meccha Chameleon in your Steam library, and open Properties. On the General tab, click into Launch Options, and type -DX11. Now while you're still here, go to Installed Files on the left, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This re-downloads any corrupted files, so give it a couple minutes to finish, then launch the game. The first boot rebuilds shaders and takes longer than normal. That's expected, let it sit. If it's still black screens, head to the install folder by pressing Browse, right-click penguinhotel.exe, and open Properties. On the Compatibility tab at the top, check Run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimizations, then hit Apply and OK, and try launching again. Still nothing? Make sure you update to the latest GPU driver from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and pick the clean installation option so it wipes the old shader cache. Once you do that, Meccha Chameleon boots straight to the main menu on PC. No reinstall needed. If this helped, let me know in the comments below.